What's up everyone, Jose, Speedlab here. We're back on the road again. Now we're on our way to Florida. It's been basically last weekend we went to Missouri. This weekend we're going to Florida. We're on our way to go pick up another surprise. It's another vehicle that we're going to be collaborating with. That one's actually a group effort between a few different companies. So like I said, we're on the way now. We're actually stopped really quick to eat. We left right around 4 in the morning again from Houston. Wanted to show you guys the shirts. These are the shirts that we have right now in pre-sale, and if everything goes good, they'll be ready mid-August. And yeah, so you can kind of check it out. This is kind of what they look like. This is the large, so you can kind of see how it fits on me. And we also got the snapback hats as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So make sure that you go purchase yours. Alright everybody, so we made it to Florida. Got in a little late last night, so we ended up getting a hotel just to crash, because obviously we're tired from the long drive from Houston to Orlando. So we did that. Basically this morning, met up with Garrett, drove to Faster Motorsports facility to actually pick up the car and also meet the owner of Faster, which is June. That, you know, talked over about the car a little bit, what our plans are and everything else, and trying to figure out a game plan moving forward with it, so that way I know what to do when we get back to the shop and try to figure all that stuff out. But right now they just finished their new build, and they actually went to MechTech Institute, where we're gonna go meet them because they're gonna put the new car that they just built on the Dyno, and Garrett from Field Tech is gonna be tuning it there. So we're just gonna go over there, say you know, pop up, say hello. We never been to the MechTech. I never been to the MechTech facility, so I'm curious to see how it is. I heard a lot of nice things about it, so we're just gonna go over there, chill for a little bit, brainstorm again, or you know, just kind of finish off the conversation about the car and figure out what we're gonna do, what holds for the future, and then we're gonna go ahead and just jump back in and head out. And don't forget, guys, these are the new shirts, and obviously these are the new hats that we have here. So make sure that, I think right now, by the time this video comes out, I think we'll still have the pre-sale going on. But if we don't, that'll be available online to purchase at speedlc.com, or we'll have links on our social media, which is Facebook and Instagram. And obviously we'll post on our YouTube channel. So, but stay tuned. All right, so we made it to the MechTech, and man, the facility is really nice. Looks like in here they got a bunch of lifts. They have a alignment machine over there, so they're pretty cool. And obviously we can see on this side they have like a different subdivisions of like what it is. They have the label on top, like that's the racing lab, engine lab, and then you got the welding station over there. But yeah, so we're just, you know, came say hello, meet the guys here at MechTech, and then also accompany Garrett and Juno. And correction, I think I said his name wrong, but the owner of Faster, his name is Juno. So I think I said June. I don't know. Double check that though. But yeah, and I apologize for that. But they're here. They're on the mainland dyno. They have the car ready to go. They're gonna test the new precision turbo that they got for the car, and we're gonna see what it does.
The next day.
Tony Cole.
All right, so we finished the dyno. Thankfully, everything went smooth. There's a couple little, you know, it's a new setup. Things are redone a little bit differently. So making changes in the computer and all that stuff. Chris did a phenomenal job. You know, double checking everything, make sure all the sensors work and going through the whole system. We had ran into one little small issue at the end of the dyno session. Pretty much, we finished it off. We still were able to make basically 1,800 horsepower um, at I think 20 some low 20 pounds of boost. So still a lot left on the table. Like I said, we have a little fuel issue problem. So we'll address that, get that figured out. But for the most part, everything's good. It runs good. Came off the dyno, drove back on the trailer, and I know the owner's very happy about it. So he's actually over there. You want to see him? That's Stacy right there. So, but yeah, everything, like I said, everything's good. We do have a checklist of little things that that didn't work, or stuff that I didn't completely finish, just because we didn't really need that stuff for the dyno. But the next step now is to address the fuel deal and go over or finish the little sensors and stuff, and then prep it for the track, and actually get Kenny to go over the suspension, set it all up, check the alignment, just go over everything pretty much, and then that way, um, the more prepared you go to the track, more 9 times out of 10 should go pretty smooth. So that's kind of what we're hoping for.
Great. 4-8 in the Sprite, got that bitch looking great. Got that pussy for a night, we ain't going no date.